All right, gonna be replacing this fuel cap door actuator. Mine's pretty much dead, but I put it in the unlock position just so, you know, I don't fucking lock myself out of my gas cap. But I actually did lock myself out of my gas cap on a quarter tank a couple nights ago, and I had to pull this cable that routes to like right here. But yeah, if yours is going out and your fuel cap door is not opening, you need to get it replaced as soon as possible, because you don't want to be stranded in the middle of the night on a quarter tank and you can't open your gas cap door. Like, the fuck. But yeah, it's super simple actually. T15 or T20 Torx bit. After you have it out, just pull the entire cover back. It'll come out. And then you just slide this in right there. You can reuse the cable. You need something. I'm using a hammer with the rag, obviously, but you gotta, if you have trim tools, I have trim tools, but they're too fucking flimsy. So you actually need something like aluminum or like steel or whatever. But you grab this lip that's right there and you literally yank on it. You can't pry it up against your nozzle. You don't want to do that. You have to yank on it. And mind you, it's a lip. So it's like, bro, you can slip, dink, you feel me? Like, I did it right there. I'm not gonna lie. Learn my lesson. Ow. Pretty cool though. Yeah, don't mind that, bro. Not bad, right? Got the whole thing out. Now this was a bitch only because whoever had the car before me, they like bent the fuck out of this, bro. So I'm gonna probably grab some vice grips, I guess, and maybe try to bend it back. I mean, the clip on this side, so it has 4 clips here, 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 here. I'm actually gonna show y'all because this is probably gonna help somebody, but you feel me? That's how the clips look. And this one's broken, which would actually set like this. So yeah, that, I mean, I was pulling from the bottom too, so makes no sense. But yeah, I'm gonna try to bend that back. I mean, it wouldn't really matter since this clip is actually broken, so it'll just like kind of just be in there, you know. But yeah. All right, I got the old one out, new one's in, plugged in, all that. Now if you want to test it to see if it works before you put everything back, all you gotta do is push it in and just lock it, then unlock. Actually locks. So yeah, that's it. Easy.